Hi everyone. Hope everyone's doing good. Hello. Yes, good evening and good morning to everyone who's here. I will, maybe not. Okay, we'll change some music up. Not sure what we're going for today, but yeah, hi. Hello. We'll get started really soon. Today's stream is basically going to be about creating your own personal portfolio. So it'll be a good time. We're gonna be kind of learning a bit about like the basics, kind of what does a good portfolio look like, how can we improve our current ones. I just got a question. Did you draw your profile? I'm assuming like my picture. I didn't actually. MLH's graphic designer actually drew that for all of us. So it's very cute though. I do love it. Just getting a question about where I'm from. I'm from the US, the United States. It's currently actually 9 p.m. local time for me. So yeah, it's getting closer to nighttime and settling down for the day. Let me know how your day went and everything, if everything's all good. Not gonna lie, today was it was a long day for me. But I think we're all good and we get to settle down, and also if you're just starting your morning, hope you have a great day too. And then you get to enjoy a lot of the other live streams coming up later today too. Yes, morning time in India, 7 a.m. Okay, yeah, that's really early. I personally also wake up really early as well. So for sure, we're gonna go ahead and just wait a couple more minutes to see some more people coming in. In the meantime, please feel free to check in and get your points. I will drop the link here. So make sure that if you're participating for like any like swag and stuff for Global Hack Week to check in and get your points for that for sure. 7:30 in India. Yep, super bright and early. Hello, hi. Today, let's see. I'll give you all a squishmallow for today because last stream yesterday we brought in Blahaj, but today, let's see. All right, I have boba today for all of us. Hello, welcome in. Okay, we'll get started soon. It's 5 minutes past. First of all, hello. Okay, all right, we're here. Let's go on ahead and get started. So what are we doing today? We are building a personal portfolio website, and not only are we going to build one, I'm going to talk about some of the things that kind of go along with building your own portfolio site, right? There's a lot of things that go into it, stuff that you have to consider, like thinking about like what to add, and we'll talk about all of that here. All right, more in detail about what we're doing and learning today. So we will be going over some portfolio sites that I personally have seen from like classmates here at my university, MLH coaches, and then just some other people that I know as well. So we'll go over them, kind of look through them and see like what's popping. And then we'll go ahead and also I'll briefly talk about like, it'll be like a discussion based with everyone here in the chat as well about what makes a good portfolio site. So we'll talk about that as well and talk about like what distinguishes like a good portfolio site from a bad one and how we can implement those tips to make a good portfolio site for us. And then how to build one, right? So obviously we need to build one. So, like coding or like like the block sites, like Wix, Weebly, Webflow. And then we'll also maybe even cover some GitHub templates and then also building it from scratch and kind of what that looks like too. And then, we'll build one together, going from like a Figma design to an actual site. So you can watch me build my own portfolio website with HTML and CSS. So we'll see how that goes. This is just a great excuse for me personally to get started on mine because I have not coded mine. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is about me. Yes, I got a question asking where I go to university. So I'm a sophomore student at the University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign. I'm studying information sciences, and I'm minoring in computer science. Just about me. I'm an MLH coach. I'm a software developer for Hacked for Impact. It's an organization on my campus that builds software for nonprofit organizations. So very cool. If you're interested in anything that I am doing or stuff like that, feel free to always ping me, message me. I'm always open to talking about everything that I'm doing. I was also a sorry. I was a marketing director for Tech Together Chicago, and as you all have heard, Tech Together is now part of Major League Hacking. So honestly, just one of the greatest blessings I've ever have done. So yes. And then I'm a first robotics alum, and then last summer I've interned at IBM. So anything, feel free to reach out to me. That is my GitHub and that is my Instagram. We have a question here asking, are you possibly doing portfolio reviews on the stream? Yeah, so we'll have a section for that as well. So stay tuned. Keep going. That is about me. And then also for this stream, we do have some resources. So just in case you can't make it to all of it for any reason, no worries at all. You can check out this link here. I will also paste it in the chat as well. Basically, this will have all the slides that we cover today and everything like that. So all the resources and all the links that you see on these slides will be available on this site for you to always reference later. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Let's quickly or not quickly, we'll go in depth about some of the sites that personally I think are really good examples of portfolios, and not only that, but possible inspiration for yours as well, right? So first of all, I'm gonna pull up around here. One second. All right, give me. Okay. All right. So bring over this here. Okay. So this is the first one. This is my classmate / really good friend, Brian G. He is also a student at UIUC. And this is honestly, his is one of my favorite portfolios ever, just because it has so much great simplicity, I think, but just really, really encompasses everything. Oh, I'm so sorry. I believe I accidentally edited the wrong one. Okay. This should work now. I just sent the new link for those of you trying to access the resources page. This is Brian G. He is a product designer. So his portfolio is really centered around, the visual aspects of everything because employers are looking at this, of course. So currently this is kind of everything that he's done so far. And as you see, he's also in Hack for Impact as well, just alongside with me. And as you can see, these we have some cool hover features. He filters them based off of if they're design, code, and then data, and then also just work related. so that, people can filter based off of what projects they want to see. I think that's really cool. We have just like simple picture about just stuff about like his thing, and of course it's like personalized. He has a bunch of stuff about himself too, which I think is really cool. Definitely adds personality to it. And then this just goes to his resume. Okay, awesome. And then a bunch of photography, which is just like in grids here. Literally so cool, so amazing. I personally love his site very much. And I think it's also very versatile. So you're able to gain inspiration from Brian's site by like, okay, like you're not a product designer, but you want to show off some projects. And how could you do that? Well, there's a simple layout like this. And what does that page look like? We have different information about the role, the timeline, the skills, what team you were on, the tools, the tech stack. So honestly, like super, super detailed about everything. He has like some YouTube videos on here, and overall, it's just like a journey going through it. So yeah, it's honestly just an amazing site. Definitely a really talented product designer. So yeah, this is Brian's site. Okay, and then we are now going to check out, let's see, ooh, 1 second, percent, okay, yeah, let's do now, yes, I'm gonna do Zora. Oh no. Okay. I am losing my slides here. Okay, give me 1 second. I will pull up hers right now. Okay. All right. I am so sorry. Why is this taking forever? Oh my gosh. Okay. It should be working in 1 second. Oh gosh, I did not. Why is this breaking on me? Okay. Okay. It should just be letting me. All right. Hi everyone. Hi to everyone coming in. I'm just literally okay. Give me 1 second. I will just reshare this so that it literally doesn't matter. Okay, awesome. All right, my screen. Yeah, so this is Zora's site. And yeah, she's with me in Hack for Impact as well. I think this is also, it's not as like design oriented as Brian's, which is the one you just saw. But it definitely has a lot more about all the coding projects that she's done. For example, something like this, right? So this is also something that you're able to do. And I believe it just takes you to the site. Yeah. So something else that you can do in terms of like inspiration for a portfolio, and then some of her research things, and then other things as well, right? So again, just something that you can think of as well for a portfolio site. And then yeah, so personally I just really like hers because it's straight to the point, simple. There's a lot of other things that she talks about too, and it's exactly what you need as well. All right, and then we'll go ahead and do Kana's next. So yeah, Kana's actually a top 50 MLH'er. he is, one of MLH's top 50 hackers in 2022. So he's incredibly talented, has attended so many hackathons, very cool. And this is his site. He has a small bio, talks about some of the stuff that he's worked on as well, right? So the Global Hack Week Guild, some of his stuff on GitHub, all of his hackathon projects on DevPost, and then these two right here. So yeah, also just another approach. As you can see, like the last two that I've shown are completely like just different portfolio sites that are really different from each other, but all really serve a purpose for whoever they are trying to target, right? So, something like this just showcases Kana's projects, and then some of his accomplishments. And then, we'll do the last one, I believe, which is this one right here that I will insert now. This is Galaxia. So Galaxia is actually a coach here at MLH as well. I personally love her portfolio site. It's so pretty. I think she's also a product designer as well. So you'll notice that, product designers have to have their portfolio like snatched because it's employers are looking at this, right? And this is the way to show off your creativity, things like that. So also keeping that in mind as well when you're designing your portfolio site, for example, and looking at like different ways of like what you can include in yours, because if you're just showing up GitHub projects, right, doesn't necessarily have to be incredibly like design focused, but if you are a product designer, obviously it needs to be a little bit more effort because this is the portfolio that everyone's going to see. Galaxia is also similar to Brian's, right? You're able to also, there's the roles, the team, timeline. Galaxia here talks about like her research, how she built everything, kind of all of that, all of, her wireframes, her prototypes, everything here. So again, the things about a product designer is you're going to have stuff like this that's a little more detailed than if you're just showing off like code, for example. But then she also has a really cool About Me page, which is like basically her like all her experience, right? Her resume goes to her resume, and then all the other fun stuff that she's been doing, which similar to Brian is like his photography and just like that creative aspect as well, that definitely, you'll see a trend with. So these are some of the kind of different like portfolios I wanted to go through. I wanted to ask if anyone wanted to share their portfolio as well. You can drop it in the chat. We'll go ahead on live, go through everything, and kind of talk about your portfolio as well. If you'd like for me to put it on stream, definitely drop the link. I'd love to see it and we can go over some of them. Yeah, for sure. Okay, we got a new one here. So yes, I just have to manually type it in since I can't copy paste. Okay. Yes, so here it is. Oh, is it not here? Yes, it is. Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. This is Henry's. Oh, very cool. I love this already. It's very fun. Software engineer. Awesome. Yep. Just small your bio. Your work. I love it. Wow. Oh, the animation's so like smooth. Very cool. Ooh, awesome. Yeah, dude, this is really awesome. I really like it. Let's go to your about. Oh, okay. It all just got it. And then this is your contact, I assume. Okay, cool. Awesome. Yeah. And then this takes to your everything else. Yeah, cool. No, I really like it. Let's see. Yeah, these are your projects. Honestly, in terms of feedback, I don't like personally, I don't really have any. I think it's really great. Maybe like I guess oh, does it take oh, okay, it just takes you to the thing. Okay. Yeah, I'd say maybe just like more like um maybe like some like how you have like description about here, maybe some descriptions on some of the projects would be cool, just so someone can know like exactly like what it is, right? Or just a small blurb. I feel like you're really going for like minimalistic here, and it's very cool, and the CSS is really nice, so very very awesome. I really like it. um MUI Kotlin. I've never learned Kotlin. Okay, yeah, and then feel free if anyone else wants to drop theirs too. I can also go over mine in the meantime. Mine is more of just like, mine's super basic in the sense that there's really like not much to it besides just like Figma files and like some pictures that kind of animate. But yeah, this is just the front page of mine that I usually share. But I've been meaning to work on like my new one that I've been talking about. But yeah, and then this one goes to my read.cv, which actually holds everything I've ever done ever. So that one's there. But yeah, I'll give it some time if anyone else wants to drop theirs as well. I'd love to also cover some other portfolios if you have anyone else who wants to share theirs. Let's see. And yeah, I should find my slides again. Let's see. Yeah, in the meantime, let me go back to my slides so we can keep going. Oh my gosh. This is so interesting. I feel like last stream I wasn't this like hectic everywhere. All right. I will go back to the slides so we can all see those. And then right here. Okay. Looks like I'm almost there. Okay. All right. Present. Okay, sick. All right, we're back. All right, yeah, let's yeah. So we can just kind of briefly also talk about like what makes a good portfolio site. How does that necessarily like look like for when you're trying to build like something that people are like impressed by, for example. I think it depends on like what goals you're personally interested in like achieving for yourself, right? And thinking about also from like a like product aspect when you're thinking about a portfolio, like who is going to be looking at this, what are the users that will be seeing it, and then how will you make like design choices accordingly for that, right? So a lot of this goes into like, okay, are employers going to see this? Are friends going to see this? Are people from a community going to see this, right? What kind of people are going to be on there? And then how are you going to make sure that, the people who are your intended audience is going to like get something out of it when they go to your site, because it's either to learn more about you, to learn more about what you are working on, what you've been doing, your projects, things like that. So I'd say something like that is, crucial for when you're thinking about like, what is going to be a good portfolio, and thinking about like a bad portfolio, for example, is, kind of what would that look like, right? So thinking about how, maybe it doesn't talk about like all of the projects you've done. It can also be like, so I've seen some portfolios before where it's like, okay, like what is this information actually saying? Like, what is like even when you're talking about your project or you're talking about, the code that you wrote, like like what does that even mean? Like how is this connected to like a bigger picture, for example, if you're trying to talk about that, just something like that, just things like that to keep in mind for when you're talking about like what a good like portfolio site has. So I think, definitely like the basics of, information about you, information about how someone can contact you, as we have seen, in multiple ones, and some of the examples that I went through, very different portfolio sites, but they all are for an intended audience that, the creator of that site has, you know created it for. And then, how is that going to be related to like the way people are going to like view you like as a person, and what that has. So yeah, so just some things to keep in mind for, like what makes a good portfolio site, and what that would look like. But yeah, and then we'll go on to now the section of how to build one. So yeah, let's talk about kind of what are some of the options that you have when building a portfolio site. So I personally have divided it into these kind of like three categories of building a portfolio site. So the first one is going to be just like Wix, for example. So Wix, Webflow, Weebly, etc. These are going to be like the like drag and drop kind of sites that will allow you to. They're super like low code / no code at all. You can like really like change. Some of them are really personalizable. So um, you're able to change a lot of things there. You can even follow like a template that a lot of them have, and they get the job done. You're able to add the information you want, and especially if you're like some sort of like product designer or something, and you don't technically or like necessarily know how to code something like a website, you don't have to, because sites like these exist, and I know that's what I've been using in the past as well, just because like coding your own site is a lot of work, and it's a lot of dedication to definitely like maintaining it and keeping up with it. So just things to keep in mind as well, like sites like these on Wix or Webflow or Weebly are going to be easy to maintain. So definitely something like a pro here for sites like these, even though they're not as like you can't really like show off any of like your development skills with building a site that is on one of these. The second one that I have to talk about is GitHub templates, and then therefore styling it yourself. So I'll go over some of the GitHub templates that I have found when I was just kind of going through GitHub, and these are kind of like in the middle of like coding it from scratch and like the like drag and drop sites, because like the skeleton is already there for you. You're able to style it yourself though, and kind of manipulate the code for that. Yeah, I'll share some GitHub repositories in the chat really soon, from the ones that I found that you can go ahead and just literally clone on your local machine, and then or like fork it, post it on GitHub, activate with GitHub pages, and then you're all set. So they're really great. I definitely think, considering something like this would be a good option if you don't want to just get started on it yourself, but you still want something that you're coding. So it's a very good in between. But again, it is going to be up to you to maintain it and things like that. And then the third one is coding it from scratch, which is what we'll be doing tonight / this morning, if you're not from the US. And coding it from scratch is basically how it is, right? You kind of figure it out for yourself, and then use HTML, CSS to make it look nice. So that's kind of the three options that I have kind of come up with that you are able to kind of use to build your own personal portfolio, right? So anyone can do it. It's if you're, if you like don't know how to code, that's no worries. Just go with option number one. If you do, you have the options of 2 and 3 where you can style it yourself or code it from scratch. Which is usually very interesting. And a lot of like projects starting off when you're learning HTML, CSS are from coding just things from scratch. So yes, so yeah, let's go ahead and keep going. Yeah, so this is for taking a break soon, but we won't take a break just yet. I am going to head on over and see if we can pull up. I will include some of the GitHub repositories, and let's go through a couple of them. Okay, yeah, so this is the first one here. Okay, I think we're good. Yeah, so this is the first one here. Basically, this is like a template that I found. It basically, literally, it is just a boilerplate, like solid one that just has, it's just ready to go. And I think this is great if you just want to kind of get started with like, it has like the About Me page and everything. Truly just boilerplate repository. So I will put this one in the chat too if you want to check this one out from this GitHub user. And then let me go ahead and share the other one that I have too. It's even here. That's so sad. I did have one more to share. Let me see if we can pull that one up too. Yes, okay. So we have this one here. So this one is called Dopefolio, and this one basically here is just like the GIF of going through that. It has like the laptops where you can put an image there. It has like buttons already made. I really like this one. I think this one would be really great if you're just starting off too. Obviously, you have the you can change the colors on the back and everything, personalize all the buttons, and it basically goes through everything and how you can get started on this one. So I will also copy URL and drop this in the chat as well for you to check out. Another really good one. Personally, this is just like, I just think it's really great. You're able to like change around literally everything. So very cool, very awesome. Type of thing. And honestly, if you'd like to find more, it's literally just going, personal portfolio like template or something like that, and you're able to just really like pull up a lot of other templates that other people have created too. So yeah, just something like this is also an example of what you could do. And then also I wanted to talk about the different sites like Webflow and Weebly, kind of how that looks like too, if you're interested. I will pull that up here. I know I had like Webflow up. Basically, yeah, you just kind of start off with like new site. Here are all the different like templates that they have. Literally, it's so cool like how much or these are the free ones up here. Literally just can also create your blank one as well. And then I know Webflow in particular has a lot of different like animations and stuff that a lot of other sites don't. And Wix as well. I know they have like new like code integrations as well. They're also a partner of MLH, so I also recommend Wix too. They're pretty great, and of course they've been around forever. So just some examples of like sites that you can make, right? So things like a blog, and changing that up, and literally incredibly customizable as well. So yeah, let me go ahead and also bring up here, just like present. Okay, yeah, so those are just kind of some examples of like ways on how you can get started too, and like what does that look like, and how we can build our own. Let me know if anyone has any questions. We're gonna be here for a little bit too. I'd love to also kind of talk about if anyone else would like to share some of their experiences with their portfolios as well. I'd love to hear all about that as well. And what kind of things you take in mind when creating your portfolio. I think it's really interesting kind of hearing about that as well. But yeah, in the meantime, I will get set up for building my own. So here I will kind of share that with everyone here as well. Let's see. So I will pull up my GitHub. And then I personally have this one here called papoka.io. So this is like my like domain. It's activated with GitHub Pages, but this is the actual site. So right now it does literally nothing, but I wanted to also pull up the Figma file that I have for this one. So this was, as you can see, it's an assignment for a class, but I thought I can integrate something like this for my own like portfolio, since that was what the assignment was. So I have here kind of what the like homepage would look like. I'm gonna try on stream kind of coding this out as well. And then here we have like my like information. And then this is the difficult part. Basically, what I wanted to do is that every time, so it's going to be divided on like code and design. And then when you press code, it'll show up to like this page. You're able to click on these and then filter out the exact project, and it'll scroll down to whatever that project is you clicked on. So I already wrote descriptions for all of these too. Just like some examples of some of the recent stuff that I've worked on. And then you're able to go back to the design. So just other designs I've done. That is just like pulls up my resume. And then just a grid of all the pictures that I have too, which I thought would be cool. Something that you saw with Brian's page too. So something I also want to try as well. But we'll see. I definitely, the about page. Yeah, this is the about page too that personally like the pictures on. It's really nice. This is from HackCon. But yeah, this is something that I wanted to try. And as you can see also, or I can't zoom in, but I hand you all the LinkedIn, the Instagram, and the GitHub logo. Woo. And this is something that I also want to try out doing. So yeah, we'll see if we can do it. I have to pull out all my HTML and CSS or non-existent HTML and CSS skills, and we'll see if we can build that out. So I'll get rid of that. This is just the site we've been on, I believe. Okay, and then that's Discord. Yeah, so let's see. I will pull up my GitHub as I mentioned. Where was it? Yeah, this is the site that I am working on, and I'm going to pull up my VS Code and open up that file. Hopefully I can, is it this one? It is not this. Oh, this is just, okay. Oh, 1 second. All right, I'm just gonna pull it up here, and then you all can see me literally figure out how to open up everything. Okay. It can be, I think it is this one maybe. Let's open that one. Yes, it's this one. Okay, sick. That worked. All right. So what I have loaded on here is also p5.js, which is a JavaScript library in which I kind of was attempting to use this to like set up different like animations and stuff. But I'm thinking it's just going to be easier to if I just code it first and then add this later, especially because the I wanted to integrate it in a way with like React and everything. So yes, I am going to get rid of this, I think. And then also I have the go live, so that'll open it up here. Okay. Nothing shows up because I just deleted everything. Okay. So let me go here. And then now that everything is detached, this is just the other stuff. I think I can get rid of that. And then if I go here, let's do, I just want to make sure it's like working on the actual site. Let me, oh my gosh. Oh, did it not start up? I believe, I thought it did. Okay, I'm gonna drag this over here. And then where is this? Okay. Seems like stuff is loaded, but let's refresh the page. Okay. Let's figure this out and why it is still showing up. Like everything I feel like is loading. We do like Ellie's page. Hello to everyone coming in. Okay. Or is this because my Docker file is still running? Pause Docker. Oh wait, I think that was just like the actual. I need to open it up again. Here we go. Yeah. All right. So it's like working. I can like design it now. Okay, sick. I will just like have that in here. Oh, that's what. Oh, it went to my other one. All right. Oh, okay. There we go. So yes, now everyone sees blue. Let me get rid of that. So what I had in my Figma file, this is gonna be really chaotic for a couple seconds. Please bear with me. Oh, it doesn't look like Oh, I believe, oh, 1 second. I think my screen froze. Stop screen. I will share this again. Screen 1. Okay. Sick. All right. Yes, my VS Code, and then also my Figma file. So yeah, let's go back here. And this is also kind of, my approach / steps to how I would kind of take a design and then start like coding it. So this is the background color that I have here. Oh, let's do that. And then let me change that. Now we see that it's like this off-white color now. It's perfect. Okay. I want to now, let's do the header. And then H1 that says Ellie Polka, my name. So we see that going up there. Let's go to the Google fonts and choose some new fonts for this. I forgot. Or we can, or let's look at the Figma file and see what font this is. Forum, okay. I believe I can just find it on here as well. So let's do Forum. Yeah, perfect. I will add this. And then now we have I'll also put in Chibo just because if you were here yesterday's stream, that's my favorite one to use. So let me bring up VS Code. Let's add that in, and then now I want to just do the headers. So let's do header main. And let's have that so that we can see that there. Okay. And then, oh, that is my email. Wrong one. Header main. Oh wait, I guess we could do header main text. And then let's go here. Let's can also change the color. So dot header main text. We can do font family. Just awesome. Now that's there, but now it's like this black. Oh. What did cursive do? Oh, okay, I guess I need that. Excuse me. All right, let's do 40 for now, and then let's change the color. We can go back to my Figma file and see exactly what that was. Looks like it's that. Okay. Paste. All right, now we see here it's changed. And then let's go back to here, and then I'm actually going to, let's see, we can do like how to make header HTML. Let's do this. Sick. So this is the one with, oh, I want the one with like links and stuff. Yeah. Okay, so instead of a logo, I'm just gonna have my name, and then yes, nav navigation thing here. Okay, sick. That's what I had forgotten. All right, let's go back. And then yeah, there we go. That is everything I need. Sick. That's crazy. Let's do so I know we let's go back to the file here, what I have. So I have an about, a resume, and a fun. So we'll change that. About, resume, fun. I'll get rid of that. Okay, and then how does that look like? Okay, sick. That's so ugly. We'll keep going. I at least like want to, get through with the header. I know that it's let's see, the dot nav main, I know just dot header main is going to be display flex, and if you see there, does that justify content space between actually I don't know if I want that. I think we're gonna leave that for now. Yeah, so now that it's display flex, it's like in a row, and then I also want text decoration is gonna be none. I want the other one we had run cursive. Okay, and then list style, I know it's like none. And then display flex. Yeah. And then space justify, yeah. Oh no, space between, I think. Oh wait, I think now is this justify? Okay, that just brings it to the back. What about space around? Yeah, there we go. Okay, so she's getting there. It's a little bit working. Let's do like color is going to be the same as what we just did for the other one. Okay, I think, and then I think it's like a link decoration. Oh, link style, none. Oh, this is list style link. Right, link. No. Let's see what this says. The CSS. will we be using any JavaScript, or is it going to be pure HTML, CSS? Yeah, the one I'm doing right now is going to just be HTML, CSS for now. I will add some JavaScript like features later on. Just for now, it's going to be me trying to figure out how to center stuff. Let's see. They don't talk about the all the links and stuff, right? Like, how do you get rid of that? Okay. New search. Yeah. Let's do get rid of link styles CSS. Oh, text decoration? Is that what that is? We'll try it. Oh, text decoration none. How does that look like now? Refresh. Okay, slay, nothing happened. Okay. Right, I already did that, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think, oh, wait. Yeah, I remember. It's like dot A, because it's like an A. It's like, I think like it has to be on the parent. Just see that. No. No. Wow, that's gonna take forever. All right. In the meantime, let's not stress about that and that not cooperating with me. Let me do like the spacing move here. So how does that look like? Oh, I think I have to like specifically target something in here. Oh, because nav.main is just what, like that, right? So maybe I can do a class in here that's like nav main text. What? That's nav main text. Okay. I'm just gonna you know, if I do this enough, it'll stick, right? Okay. Nav main text. Bet you did not see that coming. Padding left. 10 pixels. Yeah, let's go. It's working. It's honestly working better than I expected. How does that look like? Is that better? Okay. All right, and then now maybe this is none. Yes. Okay. All right. I think I just gotta work through it, you know? Oh, and then maybe I can do the paste. Yes, it changes the colors now. Let's go. Okay. Now, if we look at the Figma, this is oh, it's in another font. I did not realize that. What is this? I want to use this font for the rest of them. M+1, yeah. Okay, let's go back to the Google Fonts. Oh wait, I like the IBM one. Did you guys see this one? Yeah. Oh wait. Yeah. This one. This one's really good. I should have just done this one before. Oh, did I not add the style yet? Oh. We'll do regular. Okay. Copy this. All right, let's put it back into our code. Actually, we'll have some music in the background just because I feel like whenever it's like not me not talking, there's just like nothing in the background. Can we hear that? Have it like be quiet. Okay, sick. Yeah. All right. There's something playing in the background. I know. Okay. Sick. All right. Now we can do like font family. Oh wait, I already defined it here. Maybe let me change this to, yeah. What did I do here? Okay, how does that look? Slay. Oh my gosh, that's looking really good. I'm actually, wow. Okay, let's add padding top. 20px. Yeah, sick. Wait, I actually want everything a little bit more down, so maybe padding top can be 30. And then for the header main text, we'll be padding top. What does that look like? Do 40px as well. And then let me bring the other one a little lower. Let's do 50. 60. Yeah. Okay. I like that a little better. And then also, that's how it looks like there. Okay, wow. That works. And also, when you hover over it, it will go to like its respective page. I do think though that maybe we'll need some more like spacing in between that. So let's go back to our code. And let's see here. We can do what's the padding left? I can make that 20. I can't tell what it's doing here. Maybe if I do this. 40. Oh, is it even doing 90? Huh. Oh, or maybe I can, maybe if it's like, oh, 0px doesn't do anything, huh? Oh, okay, it does something. All right, we'll leave it like that, and then let me try, I think it's just this. It was this one, I think, that we were saying. Yeah. Okay, actually, do we like this? Yeah. I think this is good. How is that for like alignment? Yeah. Yeah, we're good. Okay, awesome. I think that looks really sick. I'm totally down for this. I'm really liking this. Okay. Awesome. We have all our links working. We'll add more and more like hover stuff later. I think I want to see if we can maybe you just recreate the front page. That would be pretty cool. Turning my Figma design and into an actual page. Now what I want is I want 2 columns, and then one column is going to be the image, and then one column is going to be the text. So I want a div for everything, then I want a div for the image, then I want a div for the text. And we are going to do flex column, and then we will go from there. Okay. Sick. Okay. Cool. So I want to add in that picture. Let me not expose all my files. I believe it's somewhere here. I just downloaded it today. Oh, it's like not cropped though. Actually, let me go back to the Figma. This is like cropped, so I'll download this one instead. Slay. Okay. Awesome, sick. All right. So it's cropped now. So like doesn't let me put this into assets. Yeah. Okay, awesome. Yeah, this is literally random. I did this in like 5 minutes. I was like, I need this for my assignment. She's just gonna be there. How did we add in the other picture? I forgot. Okay. Let's go back to our HTML file. So after the nav bar, we want a div, and then inside the div. Wow, look at that. Look at it already going. Yeah. Header, main, image. Yeah. I want slay.png. Even though I don't think this will work. Because I think it needs to slash. Oh, yep, that worked. Okay, now why is it up there? Oh, because this is inside the header. Wrong thing. Oh, what was that? Okay. Yes, outside the header. Let's paste that. And there we go. Now it's done here. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is like, this is actually wild. Okay. I don't think I've just like done pure HTML CSS in like over like half a year. Oh wow, that is going to be loud. Let's not have notifications. Okay. Yeah, okay, awesome. We have this. Actually I want to commit my changes. So get status. Yeah. And add header. Oh. Yeah, okay. Get full. Oh, okay. I forgot how to anyways. Oh. Whoa, what am I doing? Okay. Now what? Yes, okay, get get push now. Okay, sick. All right, just wanted to do that so I can like have my commits like understanding like what the fuck is going on. Okay. All right, so now that I have this in a div, this is going to be body main. Okay. Now that we have that, body main. Yeah, display flex. That changes nothing, of course. All right, so now that we have that, oh, maybe I want to change, let's see, or we'll have like some text in here. We'll do, I think this is probably like an H4 or something. We'll change it accordingly. Okay, body main. Ooh. Body main text. Oh, wow. I love how it's literally it's already rising senior, not a rising senior. That's wrong. Okay. Let's go ahead and go back to the Figma and copy literally everything. Okay. Copy that. Let's go back to VS Code. Paste. How does that look? Ooh, so ugly. That's really bad. Okay. Yeah, let's style everything too. We'll do, I think this is the body main text. Font family is gonna be the one that we just did. You are super, thank you. So are you. Let's go ahead and do, yeah. Does that change it? Yeah. Okay, awesome. I just want it now like a column, right? I want like 50% one side, 50% the other. Ooh. I think I can do like in here like space. What does that look like? Or maybe if I just move the picture to the right a little bit more with some left padding. I think that could work just because the text in general doesn't have to change in any way. And then we can do we can use the width too now. So maybe like, what does 500 Bixby look like? Oh, that's really small. Let's do 1,000 px. Yeah. No. It's 900 px. And then now like some padding left. We'll do like, what will 100 pixels look like? Yeah. And then this has, I want some right padding here too. The text. Maybe like 40px, what would that look like? Awesome. It like warps. Sick. Oh, but the image doesn't change. Maybe we can change that too, to have it be like, actually, you know what? We'll do like if it goes beyond like a certain, we'll do a media query where if it goes like literally here, like it'll change. So it's like a mobile version instead. Cause I don't want the, I like will need all the space for text, right? Okay, so like, all right, let's go ahead and keep going. We are super close. Let me go ahead and do the rest of my description here about me. So yeah, honestly, like for something simple, right, you'll see it's not necessarily like that crazy. I think a lot of the stuff that I am like working on has literally been like oh, how do I go? Wait. I know how to do this. Break tag. No, what? Break tag. And then like I'll just put in more information, I think. How does that work? Yeah, okay. But I need to put another one. Okay, sick, yeah. Let's go ahead and look at the Figma file and see like what are we looking at? What does this look like? Yeah, I just think that maybe the picture's like a little more like to the left, if anything, right? I think on my site right now, it's a little just to the left a little more. Okay, we shall I'll just leave it like this. Okay, or maybe I can, no, I'll change it. 200. And then we make this like 50. Or that won't really do anything. Maybe let's do like 80. Yeah. Oh wait, that's too much actually. I don't know. Okay, this actually, I keep saying this. I'm actually really proud of this. I didn't think it actually like turn out like this, even though it's the design I chose. Let's do for the header, I'm thinking why don't we do like some heading bottom, that way it has like, it goes a little, you know, there's just some more space up there. I think that oh, just got a comment here. Hi, are you using Flexbox? Yes, I am. So my code is right here. 1 second. Actually, you know what? Wait, yes. Okay. Sorry, I think like 100 words per minute. Yeah, so flex space around for like the header, like this part. And then I'm using just like flex stuff here. But you'll notice that the image doesn't shrink, and I'm going to use some media queries for that. Once it reaches like maybe here, I'll change it so that the CSS for the actual like image and stuff changes. Okay, I'll make it less. Maybe the picture is a little too Let me do like 150, okay? I'll just shift a little. And let me bring this back to the original page. Yeah. So yes, there we go. And now let's finish. Let me keep going. Okay. Another break tag. It literally already wants to fill it in for me. I'm so dead. Okay. Let's do, where are we? Yeah, Figma. Let's pull up my Figma and then copy the last part, which is, probably could have just typed it out myself. There we go. Sick. Okay, and then what's left is just like the styling of like the actual some of the in between words, but we'll do that later. I think I wanted to finish up with just kind of whatever this looks like, and then after these, I wanted to add the links for like GitHub and stuff. But now I'm wondering, oh, if everything is in paragraph tags, and then I can just put the, wait, let's see the code. I'm thinking, well, everything's inside this like header, and then if I add something underneath here, it'll change it because the div is in this like row direction, but I need these to be in a column. Okay. What is that doing there? Okay. Here's what I'm gonna do. I will do body body main center. And then in here, I'm going to put in this header 4, H4 tag in here. So that looks exactly the same. I just wrapped it around a div. But what the div will do is make sure that I don't have any content on the bottom that will then have it so that because now it's display flex, it'll just go on the other side and I want it to go underneath. So the div just ensures that I can have like multiple tags that'll just be like in a column how I want it to be. Okay. And then now I'm going to add in the pictures. So let's do a quick little search for GitHub logo for my GitHub, and then I guess I want to do like I want to also do like Instagram and then LinkedIn. Oh, is it not gonna save? No. Wow, that's so sad for me. No way. No. That's so tragic. Oh, I think what's the thing where you can't I just like drag something to my desktop? Yeah. Okay. And then let's do Instagram logo. Yeah. That's there now. And then LinkedIn. that's background, I think. Oh, these will be like weird. No. Okay. Sick. All right, now let's drag these in here. All right, that was easier than I thought. Rename GH, rename IG, and then rename LinkedIn. Oh, pick someone cute though. Wait, I do have like some from like before, but this is fine. Oh, why is that there? Delete. Move to trash. Okay. All right. So now we are here inside this div. Let me add in the image. This is gonna be the. Let's do GitHub first. So GitHub logo, and then we'll do. After the GitHub logo, we can put. What is it? Where's the other image I put in here? Source. Slash assets. Yeah. And then alt. Oh. What? Oh. Alt. GitHub logo. How's that look? Let's pull it up. Ooh, yeah. Oh, why did this get? Why is she like? She's supposed to be like that. She feels so wide all of a sudden. Oh, it's because this. Okay, I think. Feel like okay. 1 second. Let's change now. The size of that. That looks also really disgusting. Width. Wait, no. Why did that do that? Okay. Wow. Okay. Actually, that's perfect. That is the perfect size. I'm cool with that. And then let's do the rest of them. Let's see how they will align. Will they be like, actually, now that I'm thinking, I want the logos right next to each other, so those have to be in a div. Wow. Because I want that to be display flex. No. Yes. Okay. Class logos. Yeah, literally all of HTML and CSS, just containers. It's insane. Okay. Let's do. Yeah. Wow, that really did that, huh? Oh, that did not work. Oh, I think it's just LinkedIn. Oh, I renamed it LinkedIn. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. Oh my gosh. That looks really great. I'm liking that. Maybe not that much of like. Yeah. 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 No way. Okay. Let's do. There's still so much time left. Okay. Next is Instagram. Insta logo. This is gonna be IG dot. That's a weird web key. Will that even show up? Oh, that shows up. Wonder why it's like that. File name. Okay. How's that? Yeah. Wow. What? That's wild. That's so cool. Now let's add the links so that this actually takes us somewhere. Okay. I forgot. I think you put an A tag within the image tag, but how to link an image HTML. As you can see, I've done this before. Oh, you just like wrap it around an A. Yeah, okay. I don't know if that's gonna like mess up literally everything I have, but we'll see. A and then href. Okay. Okay. Simple enough. Wow, that already all fills my LinkedIn. Quickly, I do know that. And then, wait, is it just like, okay. It's quite literally inside it already. Copy and then delete and then put in here apparently. How does that look? What if it like literally messes everything up? Oh, okay, it works. I just need to not have the GitHub be LinkedIn. Okay. All right, just going to copy my GitHub URL real quick. All right, we can still see everything. Sick. Let's go back here. Let's do. Oh, I just need a. Gosh, okay. Let's replace this, and then do another A tag here. I just type it in all over again. Okay. Sweet. And then close that, but we're just gonna put that in here. Okay. Right, nice. And then one more for Instagram. I believe it's not this. Please coding, and then copy. Yeah, where's the closing thing for that? Oh, Why was it not giving errors? Okay, all right. So as you can see at the bottom there, right? When you hover over it, it literally takes you there. Oh, don't worry about. Oh my gosh, no. The understanding code thing, honestly, it takes like a while. Like it's a process for sure. So please do not feel intimidated by any of this at all. It's me just playing around with whatever I like know, and it's probably not even a lot of it is not even right in terms of like standards for everything. But yeah, I think we have this. Do we see that little speck right there? What is that? That's so sad. All right. Oh, sorry. That is my LinkedIn. Okay. All right. I don't know why there's a little speck there. We'll keep that. It's probably from the image. Okay. Now let's look at our the Figma again. And we are almost done with the home page. We just now need to add the cool buttons. Okay. These are definitely going to be a little interesting because I want to obviously space them together evenly, but centered. But yeah, space between with like padding on the left and right. We'll figure it out. Okay. All right. Awesome. Okay. Let's go back and do the buttons now. So I want to do I believe so. This div is the logos div. This div is the body one. Body main. Body main encapsulates the picture too. Okay, so I want to get out of body main and I want to do not a footer. No, it's not a footer just yet. Oh, I just realized I didn't add a footer to my page. It's all good. I will read one. We'll do class like page buttons. Seems self-explanatory to me. And then in here, yes, this is what I want. All right, so first we have the, it'll go to, I want a page that's going to be code. It'll be called code.html and then design.html. So, no, they have to be unique. Code button is going to be unique, and then design code design. Or actually, I don't know if they were uppercase or lowercase, but we'll figure that out. Okay. What does that look like? Okay, awesome. So now they are in the little corner right there. Let's start styling them. So we'll first individually just design the buttons and then I'll figure out how to center them or whatever. So code dash button, right? I think that's what I named it. Code dash button. Yes. Okay. And then we'll have For like border radius, I think it's like 20 px. No, right, none. That didn't do anything. Cool. All right. This was from something else I did. I don't want that yet. I don't know what display we want. Let's do, I'm gonna want it like white. The background color, let's see on Figma what color I chose for this button. Is that really? No, I was gonna say that looks too dark for that one. Okay. Copy, let's go back to my code. Figma is so real for this. Oh, wrong thing. Over here. Okay, sick. I don't want this font family. Wait, yes I do. Yes, this is the other one. Yes, cursor is gonna be that. In terms of margins, I don't want. I feel like it's too thicky right now. So let's do. I think this is talking about like the top. What is margin talking about? Let me get this out of the way. Is this just here for no reason? Oh. No, I don't want this yet. Yes, padding, I think. So 10. Yeah, I think that's better. And then in terms of like the other part of it, maybe I want. Yeah, how does the Figma look like? Oh, it's like wider. Okay, we'll do 100. Oh, maybe not. 80. Okay, and then I don't want a border, align center. What else is this missing? I think that's it. That should be enough, I think. And then we'll do the same for, oh, the border radius. I was like, that's what looks weird. I think it's too round. Yeah, that's a little better. We're gonna do the exact same thing for the design one. Design. And then now those look very similar. We do see this dash though, right? What is this dash? Don't understand. Okay, well, we'll see what that is. I don't know why there's a little thing there. But now we need to change that color too. So let's go ahead and put the one from the Figma. We'll do, oh, this really pretty green. Okay, background color, paste. Okay, sick. Now I need to center everything. So, that is gonna be interesting. So page buttons, right? Just let's try this. Okay, yeah. See, so that does that, but I don't want space between, I think, pushes them to the very end. Space evenly. Not gonna lie, it's really just okay. Center, I believe, is one of them. Oh, perfect. Yeah, that's what I want. And then or I do want that, but I want like padding in the middle. What does this do? Me just experimenting. Nothing. Cool. Okay, padding. I'll do padding right for like the code one. 10 pixels, right? Oh, that does not do that. I think. This is what I want. I think it's just like. I'm trying to like logistically think my way through this and seeing like how I can possibly have it. Well, I need to center them, align, or what if I do like. That doesn't do anything, yeah. Space around. It's like separates them out too much. Padding is good though from the top. I just need to. Or maybe I can do something with the div. So the div is that page buttons. Maybe I can change the container of the div to be like 500 pixels. But then it doesn't center it anymore. Oh wait, center, right? If I do center. Oh wow. Okay. Center. No. Center. Okay, maybe that didn't really fix anything. Let's see. Oh, I got a question here. Yeah, did I go to college for programming? So I currently am in college, and yes, I am studying computer science and information sciences, which is a lot of web development too. So yeah, I'm going to school for this pretty much. Yeah, we have about 10 minutes left. I have this. Okay. Let me just like Google. We'll search it up. Right. Oh, wrong thing. Center two buttons next to each other. Oh, just text align center? Okay, let's try that. But yeah, so this is exactly what I have pretty much, right? Text, okay, we'll try that. So is it so the the text align center. We'll try that. That makes sense, you know? Okay, so yeah, so that does that, and there's even a little space between them. So I don't know how that worked. But again, we see that little like tiny thing. What is that? Okay. Sorry, I am a little confused. Text line center and then display inline block. And then we'll do the same for this one, I guess. Okay, and then margin, right? Margin. So code word margin, right? Sick. Oh my gosh. All right. Yeah. Let's make it 40. That'll probably really skew it up. No, it won't. Oh, that's crazy. I don't think it skews up the centering of it, or maybe it did. Actually, I think it did, but can't really tell. And that's okay. All right. I think we did it. I think it's here. I mean, everything else needs to be set up, but I think the first page is done. That did take a whole hour, 40 minutes, but it works and things are working and we did that. That's crazy. I'm super hyped. I am going to push my changes now to GitHub. So let's see. All right, so let's see everything. Add homepage. Oh, git commit, add homepage, git push. Sweet. And now let's go to my GitHub page now. Oh. Yes, okay. Cool. Here it is. This is the this is it. It's all JavaScript, even though we did not use any JavaScript. It is kind of onto here now. Wow. Okay, so this is what it was when we committed the first changes. So now we're just waiting for this to execute through GitHub pages. Okay. Well, I'll wait for this to load. But yeah, oh my gosh, I am so excited that we were able to do this together. I didn't think it'd work. Personally, I'm just, it's a little bit intimidating to code like on a live stream, but I think we did it. I think we managed it pretty well. I'm personally super hyped. Oh, okay. Looks like it's there now. It's not. Why? Oh no. What happened? Oh gosh. Wait, why did the site break? Oh no. Oh gosh, that's so weird. Huh. If I click I didn't update on like the homepage here, but if I click about, it'll show up. But it's like all weird. That's so funky. Okay, I'll figure that out. But some of it is here. So I think it was just something that I was changing recently. Yeah. Okay. Um, what is happening? Yeah. Okay. It was just working, I swear. All right, I'll go ahead and fix that and see what happened. But thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. It was such a good time being on live. As always, be sure to check out the resources that I had on my site for the slides if you're interested in seeing some of the past portfolios that we had on stream today. And yeah, thank you so much, everyone, for coming along and coding with me. Hi, it's the person just joined. We've actually already we're all done. But yeah, if you the stream is going to end soon, and then it'll be up on YouTube if you missed it. So I also have my site for all the resources, and this will have the slides that were like that we went through today. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Yeah, I'm glad it was fun. Thank you for everyone who stayed until the end. It's really sweet. But yeah, it is currently 11 p.m. um, CST time, so I'm gonna head to bed, finish that last minute homework for everything. I'm so glad it was such a good session. I'm truly it makes me really happy to hear that. Yeah, for sure. So thank you so much, and have a good rest of your day / morning / night. It's also late for everyone in the States now. But yeah, hope everyone has a good one. Thank you so much. Bye.